Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Check the Android and app version numbers so you know compatibility. Once done, free at least 500 MB of storage and restart the phone to clear temporary faults. You should also back up app data using Settings or Google Drive to avoid losing progress. Now open Settings and go straight to Apps, because targeting the affected app is the first actionable move. You will clear cache and inspect permissions, next to isolate the crash cause. You now diagnose. Clear the app cache first because that often fixes transient crashes. If that fails, clear app storage to reset settings. Next, make sure the app has required permissions and disable battery optimization for stability. Background restrictions can force closes. Once you confirm permissions, update the app through Play Store or uninstall and reinstall to replace corrupted files. If crashes persist, check Android System Web View. You finish by testing the app in safe mode to see if a third-party app is causing the close. Reboot into safe mode and run the app briefly. If nothing else works, consider a factory reset only as a last resort and back up everything first, because this erases personal data. Make sure to collect logs with a logging app or use a DB Logcat for developer-level debugging. This helps you, or a technician, pinpoint the exact error when seeking further support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.